In today's video, we're going to diagnose why this 2020 BMW X5 does not have a blower. It ends up being the blower unit along with the final stage. We'll carry out oscilloscope testing as well as fault memory testing and clearing. Follow along for today's video. We are going to go ahead and carry out a fault scan on this vehicle. Once we get this fault scan carried out, we'll pick it back up. Once again, we are in a live workshop here, so I apologize for any workshop noise that you may hear. I'm going to carry out that auto scan. I will pick the video back up when that's complete. We carried out that full fault scan. As you can see here, we do have these two faults stored in the blower motor. E70C2D blower does not respond. Let's go to the vehicle and see what's going on. Here we are in the vehicle. The blower does work at this time, but if you let it run for extended periods of time, it will stop working. We do have our Topdon Phoenix Elite along with scope hooked up here. This is the amp clamp we're going to be using along with the Topdon scope. We do have it set to a 1 millivolt per 100 milliamp setting. That's the 40 amp setting. We're going to go ahead and go through our different blower speeds and monitor the amperage of this blower motor. That's about halfway. We'll go ahead and go all the way up to full blower speed. As you can see there in the bottom left, it is drawing 33 amps on the full speed. We'll go ahead and drop it back down. These blower assemblies do come with the blower motor and the final stage resistor built onto it, so we will provide an estimate to the customer for that. The customer did approve replacement of the blower unit. You see the part number there. We are going to get this installed in the vehicle, and then we'll carry out oscilloscope testing on the new one. Customer did approve replacement of that blower unit. We did get that swapped out. We're going to carry out that oscilloscope testing now. Please like and subscribe for further content. I'm working on my video skills as well as my audio skills. I did get these new mics to help cut down that shop noise, but we are a live shop. Here we're going to go ahead and run through those speeds again. We'll go all the way up. You should see the amperage rise in a step pattern as I'm going up on blower speed. About halfway there, 3/4 of the way. And then that's full blower speed. As you can see, the signal's a little bit noisy. This is a pulse width modulated blower. We'll go ahead and drop back down. See it drop down in a step pattern once again. The signal does look better than it did before. We did hit a peak of 35 amps. Once again, some of that is due to the pulse width modulation. We will go ahead and do a full clear DTCs now. I'll pick this back up once it's clear. We'll verify that blower fault is no longer present. We're done with that fault scan. We're going to go ahead and go into our climate unit and just check faults one more time to make sure that there's none stored after clearing them. As you can see, there's no trouble codes. Here we are in the vehicle. Blower's working good. As you can tell there, that was the fix. Do you have an X5 that you're working on? If so, this video could help you diagnose the cause and verify your repair. Thanks again.